Bab. Got you. Baz, what's that? Got you. Not too quick today, huh? Oh, okay. So this was my Uncle John's. He was a carpenter. Now what you barking at? You don't know. And these were his files. And this was his carrying toolbox. And so I just made my version of it. This bar was part of my dad's stairwell railing. So you can see it's got all kind of nicks and marks from over the years. So this is older than I am. And I'm 5 decades on this planet. So most of the tools that you see that's looking rough, most of these my Uncle John's, except these are new ones, so I just added in there. But yeah, it's files from Nicholson. I think this is a screwdriver. What up? Nicholson. Craftsman. Stanley. Get him.
Quick out.
Quick.
Give me that bone back. Give me that bone. Give me that bone. Alright, I'm gonna change it because it was sore.
I got your corner now. Yeah, where you going now? We got your corner. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll put the juke move on you. Right here. No, that's good. Some of his retractable. Lufkin. I remember as a kid playing with these. Still playing with them. But yeah, that's my version of the tool. I like it too. A little hammer I made, you know, I forgot where I got this idea from. I think definitely was on YouTube. Oh. Harold's pliers. What you running for? Yeah, I used to like the little bone, I call them bone picks, and put it in there. I just like building stuff, just like my uncle and just like my dad. All right, Babs. In a minute.